guys, so welcome back to our channel. We're on Enchanted Boulevard. As you might notice, Angelica is not here with me today, and that is because with everything going on with the coronavirus, we are all in quarantine. So she's in her house and I'm in mine. And this video is gonna be kind of like two parts, I guess. So I'm gonna be putting out this first video, and then Angelica will post her video when she gets her boxes. And by boxes, I mean that earlier today, I saw a video from Josh Goes to Disney, and he was talking about how GameStop had like this Funko Pop mystery unboxing. And in his video, he opened up two of the ultimate unboxing box of Funko Pops, and he opened up the one that's called the pink box. And he said that he saw this video from someone else, but I'm gonna go ahead and link Josh Goes to Disney's video in the description box. And when I saw the video, I was like, I'm gonna need to buy the box. So I went and got two boxes. So without further ado, we're gonna start the video and I'm gonna finally unbox my boxes. So this is how they look like. They are the, like I said, Funko Ultimate Unboxing Box. And there's 4 types of the boxes. So I got the one that they call the pink box, even though it looks purple, but I got the pink box, and the pink box is Disney Funko Pops. The blue one is like the other fantasy Funko Pops. They also have 2 more levels, which is two more colors, which is a green one and another one which is a purple box. And they were each $9.99. And I got 2. So, and it says here that it's a $30 value. So we'll see what I get. I'm super excited. In his video, he got like 4 items. So I'm assuming that might be what I'm gonna get to. I'm struggling. Okay. I don't want to look. Okay, so I opened it and I think I saw, what's that? Okay, so I think I got the same things as Josh from Josh Goes to Disney. So let's see. Okay, Jack Skellington, cute. Alright, so this is the first thing. I got the Jack Skellington Pez candy. I know some people collect these. I don't. But just because it's Jack, I don't know. I might keep it or give it. I don't know. I'm gonna put that there. Then I also got, yeah, he got the same thing. The Toy Story mystery little box. So this is what's in the back. There's like 16 of them. And that's what it looks like. We're gonna just jump in. I'm gonna put the box down so I don't really see the actual Funko Pop that I got. So, struggling again. Okay. Let me throw this away. Alright, so I don't know, I would want the alien, Forky, Bunny, and the duck. Whichever one of those I'm good with. And I agree with Josh, like if you see his video, he said he doesn't normally buy these, and I don't normally buy them either because I think they are a bit pricey for what they are. So this is really small. I'm assuming I got, I think I got the Sergeant. I did. Dang. So I got I think he's a sergeant. Not sure. So not my favorite of the box, but still pretty cool. So I'm gonna put there and put this in here. And then I think, yeah, I got the same black banana. So it's a cat in a banana. I wonder if it's the same box that he got. I don't know. So far, okay. So now the actual Funko Pop. We'll see which one I got. From Toy Story, and it's Gabby Gabby. So I think this is exactly like the box that he got. I'm not really collecting this one, but the movie Toy Story 4 was pretty cool, so I'll probably, I don't know, keep it. So I got Gabby Gabby. And this is how it looks like. These are all in the collection. So from this collection, if I had to pick like others to get, because I'm not really like big on collecting the entire thing yet, I would want to get Bunny, Ducky, Alien, of course, and Forky. But yes, I got Gabby Gabby on my first box. Alright, so that was my first one. Now let me just put this one back here. That's the first one. Let's get on to my second box. I'm excited. This is pretty cool. Let us know if you want us to get more, because I'm so down to get more of these boxes. Anything to grow my Funko collection, right? Because I only have these three. I only have Dr. Frankenstein, Sully, and Nose more from Wreck-It Ralph. So, and this is a pretty cool like mystery box, because Funko Pops alone are usually more than 10. Alright, so I gotta open finally. Alright, so I'm assuming it's the same type of things, but just different characters. Another Jack! What? A double Pez Jack! Put it behind it. Alright, so I'm gonna get the Toy Story thing out. The Toy Story mystery box. Okay, it's again the same ones that are exclusive. I hope I get some of the ones I actually, some of the ones I would like. So like I said, Alien, Forky, Bunny, Ducky. I'm good. Okay, I'm thinking this might be one that I like. Buzz. Not that I don't like Buzz, but so I got Buzz. They're so cute too. They're super tiny. Alright. Then I got the same, I don't think this is Disney, but like they just threw it in there. So I got the black banana, again, the cat and the banana. Put that there. And my Funko. Another Gabby Gabby. What? I got everything double except the Toy Story. So I got another Gabby Gabby. Well guys, that's my video. Like, I'm gonna tell Angelica, because I got all doubles, so I'm gonna tell Angelica that if for some reason she doesn't want one of her Funkos and wants one of mine, we can trade. I'm gonna give the like little Toy Story figurines to my brothers, and so it's not a total like boom for me. It was still a fun experience. I would definitely do it again just to see what else I get. And yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a like, comment below if you want us to do more of these. And yeah, bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.